welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything about this hotel, like amenities, category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. You can see on the screen the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.6. You can see on the screen more details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. In this hotel, 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Location of the hotel is first class and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This hotel is 3 p.m. Time for this travel is 10 a.m. For many deals and offers available online for this hotel along with different meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below.